Hello students, welcome to Sushmita's classroom. I hope all of you are hale and hearty. Now I begin my class with reported speech part 8, but before that I want to share this thought with you. The thought is be grateful for what you have, appreciate what you receive, need what you want, give without expectations. Never take it for granted. What comes around goes around. That means whatever you are getting back from the society, that you have to return to the society. Okay. So give without expectations. Whenever you give something to the society, don't expect anything from it. Okay. It will automatically come back to you. You don't have to worry about that. Now, I will begin my class with reported speech part 8. Now students, I will tell you how to change the exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. Here, rules for changing exclamations into indirect. This is the heading. Now the RV as you know, reporting verb, is changed into exclaimed, declared, wished, etc. Okay, instead of said, instead of told, instead of other word asked or inquired, command, etc. I will write exclaimed, declared or wished. Next one, the exclamation marks disappears. Now, as in interrogative sentences, we do not put question mark in the indirect speech like that. In exclamatory sentences also, when it changes into indirect speech, we will not put exclamation marks. Third is exclamations with what, how, etc. are changed into he said, that, it was. Okay, it will be written like this. For example, he said, what a dangerous game. So this what is used here to show the exclamation. This sentence will be written as he said that it was a dangerous game. It was a dangerous game. Next one, she said how nice of you. Okay, so this how is used here to show the exclamation. So she said how nice of you will be changed into she said that it was very nice. I was very nice. Or she said that it was very nice of me. I can write it in either way. Okay. We can write she said that I was very nice, or I can write she said that it was very nice of me. I hope it is clear to you. If what and how is there, it is there to use exclamation. At that time, it will change into that it was, that it was, that it was. Now students, the next thing is exclamations with oh, oh, heavens, alas, ah, etc. are changed into he exclaimed with disgust, he exclaimed with surprise, he exclaimed with sorrow, etc. Okay, we can write in either way. Either we write he exclaimed with disgust, or we can write he exclaimed with sorrow, or we can write he exclaimed with surprise. It is according to the sense of the sentence. Okay. Now for example, the old lady said, alas, I have lost all my belongings. The sentence is full of sorrow, full of sadness. So the exclamation is about the sadness. Okay. So it will be written like that. The old lady exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost all her belongings. So here I have written exclaimed with sorrow. Okay. So this is exclaimed with sorrow because the sentence is giving the sense of sadness. So I have written the old lady exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost all her belongings. I hope it is clear to all of you. Like that, according to the sentence, we can write she can exclaim with disgust if she is annoyed for something. If it is she is surprised for something, then I will write he exclaimed with surprise, etc. Okay. Now students, the next thing is, if the exclamations with hooray, hooray is written in the sentence, then it would be changed like this. He exclaimed with joy or great joy, according to the meaning of the sense of the sentence. Okay, you can write he exclaimed with joy, or you can write he exclaimed with great joy. Okay, so here is an example. He said to her, bravo, we won the match. So that is very excitement. Okay, he is full of excitement. He is very happy, full of happiness. So we can write, he exclaimed with great joy that they had won the match. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Here bravo is there, and when bravo is there, that means some happiness is shown. That is why I have written, he exclaimed with great joy that they had won the match. I hope it is clear to you how to change the exclamatory sentences in indirect speech, and the rest of the rules are followed as it is. Only these 3-4 rules which I have told you that you have to follow in writing exclamatory sentences into writing or changing indirect speech into indirect speech. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Do practice and let me know if you have any doubt. Take good care and be safe. Enjoy your day.